In this session, I want to talk about freeing your mind from thinking that there is one correct technique for a specific attack. Because if I fixate my mind into thinking that how I'm going to defend, let's say again we are playing with a knife, and now I'm doing motions like this. But then I am expecting that that will happen, and then, okay, I did that, but I had to defend against a kick first. Maybe she does something else. Everything works in a demo. But the thing is that in self-defense world, in the self-defense games that are played outside, we don't know how they are going to go. That's why what we want to transfer to training here is that we don't either know what is going to go. And this is not an easy job for the attacker to do. So also when you are being the attacker, remember, you are not really attacking your friend. You are helping them to be better at the game with the rules that we don't even know. Let's take one step further on. Now, I am not waiting for her to actually make the attack. So once I see her move, I will do something. Now I did make the impossible simultaneous counterattack and defense, because I had decided that I am going to punch her. Once she moved, I was doing this. I wasn't expecting the knife there. Maybe she makes a kick. I don't know. And this is the way that once you have done all the skill exercises we've laid you out there from hand defenses and how to do that, now you need to move on to freeing your mind. It's not about a single technique. It's more about the similar type of movement that we are making. If you find this idea and content useful, please share it with your friend. Try it out so everybody can get the best out of the free content we share here.